Hello, guys. Welcome back with double 66. Yes, this one will be double 66. In the newspaper of today, Wednesday, June the 28th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles. The binary I've already solved in a minute ago. We have a killer Sudoku, Sudoku mix, and a regular medium Sudoku. And by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I won't do them after these three puzzles. No, in the evening. In the evening I will do the 4 out of 7. Yeah, of the additional. All right, but first this one. Double 66. Yeah, double 66. Well, it's a milestone. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one. If you look to the Sudokus in the additional with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, should be easier than the 1 star. The 1 star in the additional has 27 printed digits, and you need to be faster than 15 minutes for the 1 star. So maybe this one 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I do not know, we will see. All right, so let's get started. Two missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. Third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so the row below the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, third column, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Now. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5. And we have a pair again. 2 and a 5 in the first column. 2 and a 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then. How about the 7 in the last column? 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 8, 7, 8, 2. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the first row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Then. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright, okay. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Then. 1, 5. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. We have a 5 in this second row. No 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. It should be there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the row below, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 6, 8. Okay. And now. 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 that you left in this row for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then. How about? Yeah. Come on. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Interesting. 5. Okay. How about a 6 in this column? 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. Okay. Interesting. 6, 1. Come on. 1, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes at there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. And look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Double 66. Well. Double 66. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.